Hi friends, good morning. So I hope you will be fine. In this video, we will solve a question which says that you need to swap two variable value without using a temporary variable. So we know that if we want to swap two variable value, then we can easily do this using temporary variable. So this is the condition you cannot use the temporary variable. So how we can do this? Let's see. So let's create a integer variable a and I assign to 20 and int b is equal to 30. It means I want final answer a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 20. How we can do this without using temporary variable? So we cannot use temporary variable. So let's see this how we can do this without using temporary variable. So if we write this a is equal to a plus of b, it means here a value is equal to your 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. So now we will do b is equal to a minus of b. It means now in the now here b value is equal to your a value is equal to 20, basically 50 minus of b is equal to 20. So here you can see your a value assigned to your b. So now we will do a is equal to, now I want 30 in the a. So we will do a plus of, no, I want 30, so I will do a minus of b. So here you can see a is equal to 50 and now b is equal to 20, so it is your 30. So here you can see we have successfully swapped these two value using these three lines. So go and do this in your VS Code. So thank you.